y'all, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if I mentioned this in my prior videos, but I got engaged a few weeks ago and I have been just starting my wedding planning, and I ordered these cute little bridal proposal boxes from a company called Confetti box, and they were highly reviewed. They had about 1,000 reviews on on Etsy. So I wanted to do something special and personalized for my bridesmaids, and I don't know if there are any like brides to be out there that are looking for something personalized for their bridesmaids. So I thought I would do an unboxing of my white confetti box custom proposal box kits. I haven't seen them yet, so you guys are getting the first hand. I thought it was cute. The response from Rachel, the owner, was absolutely amazing. I had my boxes sent to a friend in Miami, Florida, and another friend in Riverview, Florida, and they sent them to my bridesmaids directly, which I thought was awesome. Let's see what the quality of these guys are looking like. I like the packaging so far. It's just regular packaging, but it's a fragile gift, so let's see how they look. All right, so here are the boxes. I honestly thought they would be a little bit bigger, but they are about, I would say, 8 inches around, I guess, 8 inches long. So they're not as big as I thought they were gonna be, but that's okay. Just a heads up that the price on this was $40 for the box and about $8 for shipping. So they're a little bit pricey, but it's okay. These are my girls and I want them standing beside me for my wedding day. So I wanted these to be perfect. So you could customize the labels. As you can see, one of my bridesmaids, her name is Whitney, and I customized this box because she's a little funky. She likes like creative things, not like basic boxes. So I got her this design here and I hope that she likes it. Let's open it up. So it comes with this custom fortune cookie, and inside the fortune cookie, I already know what it says. It says, "I can't say I do without you," but she has to open it to figure that out. It also comes with a personalized scented candle, which I thought was cute. It actually smells pretty good as well. Customized as well, like I said before. It comes with this confetti, Will You Be My Bridesmaid's confetti shaker. It also comes with a Bride Tribe mini photo frame. And finally, well, not finally, it comes with a Pop Fizz Clink bottle opener. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a little bright in here. And it also came with these custom bridesmaids champagne flutes. They're plastic and a straw. They're plastic, and they don't all say bridesmaids. They say cheers. Well, I got it customized to say bridesmaids, so that was an extra $2 per cup. But if you just wanted to get the regular ones, then they would just be $39.99. I also am gonna buy mini champagne bottles, which I haven't purchased yet, but I will. And on the mini champagne bottles, they have already provided a champagne label that you can put on the box. And here is the champagne label that goes on the box, and it says "Pop the Bubbly." So I will come back and show you once I get my mini champagne bottles how the whole kit looks with the champagne bottle inside. But I don't know if anyone was thinking about it. I definitely searched YouTube to see if anyone else had done this, and I didn't see that anyone had done this yet, so I just decided to go ahead and do a review for you guys. So hope you guys like it. See you guys on my next video. Bye.